everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 19th to the 23rd of October 2020 on Monday. A hostage situation at the Mhlongo house leaves Nkunzi in a terrible situation. Kapsile makes a disturbing discovery about Mamsi. Sbu set himself free from Liana on Tuesday. Nkunzi blames a family member for working with Tulani to steal his money. On Wednesday, the police hatched a foolproof plan to catch a wanted criminal. On Thursday, Nkunzi takes control of his family as it falls apart on Friday. Tulani pulls in a favor from an ex-lover. Mamsi makes a move on someone's man, and Liana's latest antics takes Figile by surprise. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. If you want the full episode, I will leave the link on the comment section. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.